On my way to Forest Fest here. Just got off the bus and I saw a fresh strawberry salesman on the side there. So I'm walking back to go grab him here, get myself some. And then I have to fucking walk like the 30 minutes where I am to get over there, but fuck it, dude, it is what it is. Dude, these are banging. These are crazy. I don't know what slang people use over here. These are fucking Wexford strawberries are actually crazy. Highly recommend. Jesus Christ. Random saw off the side of the street too. Worth it. Almost there. I'm with the people now. Walking up. They said 15 minutes up this hill and then to the right. Damn, I think they're already going. I can hear music. Fuck. It's pretty full on.
She's on my mind. She's on my mind. She's on my mind. I can't afford to lose touch. You can't afford.
Thinking about it. I'm thinking, yeah, fuck that. That ain't worth it. Fuck that. Jesus Christ, not gonna happen. Fuck's sake, man. Fuck's sake. Oh man. Holy shit. Holy shit! Fuck this, dude! Oh my god! Fuck yeah, no! Fuck that, lad! Fuck this! Holy shit! God damn it, I kind of have to do it, don't I? Oh, sake. Oh, shit. Fucking hell. That's that. Whoa. 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 Holy shit. Whoa. Oh my god. What the fuck, dude? Oh my. Oh man, this one's fun. Oh shit, I'm fucking flying, dude. Oh my god. Oh shit. shit! Oh man! Oh shit! Oh, what the fuck? That's a fucking long one! Oh my god! Oh, there we go. Dude, it's hard to do these with this thing in my mouth. Fuck it. That shit. We're gonna go again. Oh shit! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Yeah! Woo! Oh shit, my phone! Oh man, that was a fun one. Holy shit! That was fantastic. I'm on my way to the campsite. It's like 12 something. Didn't really want to film a lot of the bands because I'm mostly here for myself. Shout out to Motion Sickness, great band, great people. And yeah, next stop is some fucking bush I can find. Let's do this. All right, so basically what they told me was that they're actually taking buses. They have buses set up to bring you to Portlaoise from here, which is the nearest big town in the area. And instead of fucking camping in the actual sticks, I think I'm just gonna camp in town. I think that'll be a little more interesting than just fucking middle of a field, you know? Well, there goes my ride. Fuck. God damn it. Alright, I have made it to Portlaoise. Alright, so I just got off the bus, and one thing's immediately clear. It's gonna be a fucking cold night, dude. I'm actually, like, I'm cold. I did not bring enough shit. Especially for the spot that I'm sleeping. Fucking hell. But, sure it is what it is. Now I can use this bush that I was fucking saying this way too loud. I'm gonna get fucking shanked or something, dude. But now I can finally use the spot that I was looking at before. It's gonna be way too dark for you guys to see, but you'll see in the morning at least. Jesus. So I'll get to the spot and see what I can record if there's any light. I have no idea how good this quality is gonna be, but I have a head thing now. I'm gonna see how this goes. Fuck, they closed it. What am I gonna do now? They closed it, guys. What the fuck? Alright. Let's move on. Fucking hell, that's dark. Alright. The dogs are barking. It's kind of tripping me out a little bit. Fucking hell. I don't know how great you guys can see, but sketchy enough spot. Fucking hell, it's like 2 o'clock or something. I think I was here before, dude, or else I'd be fucked. Wouldn't know what the hell, where I'm going at all. Jesus, it's a totally different feel when it's at night, though. You can't see fucking anything. I feel like I'm about to get in a fucking fist fight with a homeless guy or something. Dude, this is fucked. Though it's funny because this is like the nice section where I'm going. It's like a dirt road. I'm going off the dirt road into the mountain. Fuck. Ow. Ow, fuck. Alright, I need my phone light for this. Fuck. could fuck off. Honestly, I'm debating going back into town and just sleeping in a fucking bench. Cause fuck the woods. Alright, this is it. Fucking Jesus. Good thing none of this is electric, Jesus. Mother of God. Alright. Alright. Fuck. Fucking brambles. Honestly, I almost just want to sit out here. This is a good enough spot in the day. I'm gonna turn this off and set this up because I need to move some of these bushes around. Yeah, this is gonna be it. Alright, so I think I'm at a fox spot. Or like an old trail or a fucking rodent trail. It's actually just to the left of all of those thorns. So I'm gonna set up here. I need to fucking put my light down and quit dilly-dallying. Fuck, the top of the mountain's like right there. Can't even see it. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna get set up and fucking figure it out. Fuck, it started raining. It started raining. Oh no. I think I have enough tree cover, I'll be alright, but still. You still can't see anything. Fucking hell, it's only 2:20. God damn it, it's only been an hour. That's fucked. It doesn't seem to be too bad. I'll try and get some sleep, but fuck, I don't know. I might just have to stay up and just try and make it to the bus whenever the fucking next bus gets in. Don't know. Fuck, dude. I can barely see anything still. Jesus Christ. So the rain's come, and it's not letting up this time. I'm getting a little wet under here, but I think it's early enough that the trains are up and going. So I think I'm just gonna fucking just take the next train the fuck out of here. It's in like 30 minutes. I'm gonna see what's open and try and get some food in me. Fucking hell. I'm gonna get the fucking setup out of here first though. Alright. I'm packed up now. I want to see what's up here because I don't have much time before the fucking train gets here, maybe 20 minutes. I want to see if I can get out up here. It's fucking pissing rain now. Fuck. I can't see anything. Well, I can see, but I fucking can't see where my feet are going. Fucking hell. The amount of nettles and shit. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna be able to get up that way. God damn it, I'm putting this on my head. I'm gonna go down the mountain. Alright. Into town I go. Oh, fuck. Dude, I'm gonna look like I fucking crawled out of a cave. I kinda did, though, to be fair. Alright. Oh, fuck. Alright. Alright, let's go into town. Fucking rain, man. If it wasn't raining, I would have stayed a little more longer. Probably waited 1 or 2 stops, but there's no point if it's just pissing like this. I'm gonna go through the same way I came in. Great morning though. It's just raining. Alright. What time is it? Fucking 4 o'clock? 5. Jesus. The fuck? This is the same way I came in last night. Hard to see anything, but I knew I was on the path, so it's not too bad. It's not too bad, actually. Hopefully I don't meet the guy that has to open these gates. Yeah, man, straight on, dude, that'd be nice. It's kind of wild that there's this public path and then just someone's backyard. It's kind of crazy. Oh, you'll be able to see the rain here. Jesus. How am I gonna get over this? Oh, fuck. Alright. She's raining. Fuck, dude, it's raining actually pretty hard. Jesus Christ. Fuck it anyway. I don't even know where to go from here. I've only been in this town once before. The fuck? Alright, yeah. I'll see you at the train station. Sick, dude, if I don't hurry, I'm actually gonna miss it. It's kinda weird walking through town though, middle of town. With no one. But here's a car coming up. Fucking hell, every time I pull this fucking thing out, man. Just embarrass myself. God damn it. So I have about 9 minutes. Train station. Yeah, the train's. Oh, it's just right there. Fuck. Alright, good. Thought I'd be a little screwed there. It was close. Oh, of course they're gonna wrap around. I gotta put this fucking thing away again. Jesus Christ. I just about made it. Ticket in hand. Fucking hell. Okay, anyway, we survived the night. Just about barely. I probably had an hour of sleep, maybe 2. As soon as I get home, I'm fucking going straight back to bed. Fuck this. Jesus, I'll get the train coming up anyway, and I'll probably Lewis and whatnot, but don't know.